What if I told you you could travel back in time inside your database? Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Session. I hope you are doing very well. In this video, I will show you how Microsoft Fabric Warehouse let you restore or query your data exactly as it was in the past. So here, no backup required. So before going forward, I request you to please subscribe this channel and like this video if you find this video helpful to you. Now let's get started. Time table in Fabric Warehouse is a powerful feature that keeps historical snapshot of your table. That means you can query your table exactly as it was at a specific point in time, or even compare changes over time. Default retention period is 7 days for time travel. So it is a lifesaver if you have deleted row mistakenly, made a wrong update, or just need to audit past data. So now let's move to Fabric portal to see demo on time travel. Here I am in the home page of Microsoft Fabric portal. Now let's go to your workspace and let me use wh_project Fabric workspace. And in this workspace we have a warehouse demo wh project warehouse. Let me click on this to open this warehouse. Okay, and here is warehouse open. Now let me create a new SQL query editor page. And let me use already created script to save the time. So copy this and paste here. Let's start by creating table. I am creating here sales table with these structure: sales ID, product name, sales amount, and sales date. So copy this, select this and run this. Here is sales table created successfully. Now insert sample records in the sales table. Here is 3 records inserted successfully. Now let me validate. You can see here in this sales table we have 3 records. Now also note here this moment of timestamp. Okay, run this by using select GETUTCDATE time. Okay, let me copy this, copy result and note here. Okay. After this timestamp, I want to insert 2 more records using insert into sales table, and these are the records. So let me insert 2 more sample record, and here 2 more sample record inserted. Let me validate. It should be 5 record now. Okay, so let me run this. Now you can see here 3 record inserted first time. After this timestamp 2 more record inserted. I want to check at this timestamp how many record in this table. So how can you check? Using timestamp syntax. Select star from sales table. After that we need to write here option for timestamp as of. We noted here this timestamp. So copy this and paste here. And let me execute. At this timestamp we have only 3 records. Okay, we successfully get back to past time. Okay, we travel this data into past. Okay, now let us imagine by tomorrow mistakenly update all sales amount to 500. So let me do first, and we do not apply here where condition. So comment this where condition. Okay, and let me execute update statement. Okay, here we updated sales table and set sales amount to 500. Okay, and let me validate. Now you can see here at this moment we have showing here sales amount for all sales ID here 500. Okay, so we want to recover previous sales amounts. How you can recover? Use this timestamp. We need to take timestamp, but let me use and paste here. After this timestamp I updated 2 more records. So let us suppose after 1 minute I updated. Okay, so let me validate. This timestamp it's not showing. Okay, so put here 0 and let me use 40. Okay, here you need to okay, there is no record at this time. Here you can see here at this moment we have a 5 record with correct sales amount. Okay, now let's take a back, create table sales backup as, and now write this system, write this syntax. Okay, this statement, and now let me run this. Now we successfully created and go back to past time what is the sales amount. Okay, so let me validate and let me run this. Okay, so using this timestamp we successfully go back to past and see how many sales amount for these respective sales ID. Okay, so that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.